course, all of these great awards. We're going to go to our phone lines. Tell us why you love it. We're going to say hello to Tina Brown, who's calling in. And Tina happens to be one of our friends here. Tina, you're live at HSN. It's Marlo, and of course, I mean, needs no introduction. Kavita, you know Tina Brown. Will you introduce her to everyone?
Hi, Marlo. Hi, Kavita.
Hi, Tina. It's so amazing to hear your voice. Thank you so much for calling in.
Here. I'm so excited for you. So proud.
Oh, how nice. Will you tell everybody? I know Tina. You want to tell everybody who Tina is so that everyone around the world will know?
So Tina is the founder of the Women in the World Summit, and she's personally been a mentor to me. She really changed my life by actually inviting me to the summit back when I was at the farmer's market with my little sheets of paper. And Tina's support has made such a huge difference for me, and that's why actually today we're launching Fresh Voices, which is a really exciting partnership where every single person who purchases the Today Special will have the opportunity to come with us and walk the red carpet with me and Tina at the Women in the World Summit and have the inspiring experience of a lifetime. So I'm so thrilled, and thank you, Tina, for calling in. What an amazing surprise.
It's really great. I mean, I just love what Kavita's done, and I have found it's just transformed our entire refrigerator, which used to be full of kind of moldy peaches and fuzzy, you know, raspberries and hairy-looking strawberries, and now we put this little piece of fresh paper into that plastic drawer, and everything stays fresh. It's kind of a miracle thing.
Well, that's fantastic, and we love that you use this all the time, and we love the sweepstakes that you're partnering with Kavita to do. So we are thrilled to meet you, Tina. Thank you so much for being a part of HSN.
Thank you. Well, I just love it, and you know, it's a great gift. I will say, one of the things that you should know about this thing is that if you show up at somebody's house with your fresh paper and tell them about it, it goes over so well, and it's this very inexpensive, but it's vital, and people always afterwards say to me, "This was the best gift I could have got."
Well said. Well said.
Thank you so much, Tina. Thank you. That is so wonderful to hear.
And to have you on the show. Thank you very much, Tina. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, and I can't wait for one of the viewers to get to go with us and meet Tina in person at Women in the World. It's so exciting.
So we are absolutely delighted to be able to have the founder and CEO. This is Kavita, if you haven't met her, and you probably have seen her on some of those major talk shows.